Dude, this is a graffiti-free area.
Welcome to Shalom Meadows, where we're flipping this old run-down trailer office building from the 60s and 70s into our home. We might as well change the name from Shalom Meadows to the Leak Channel. And what I mean by that is having leakages, because we still have them. I know some of you guys and gals probably watched videos previous and were like, yeah, leak, yeah, I hope we fix, leak, yeah, I hope we fix, leak. Well, no, there's still leaks. So, we got some more of this great stuff, literally great stuff, for windows and doors, and it's yellow foam, and we also got some rubber flex leak stopper, okay, for stuff like the metal and stuff like that. And if this doesn't work, the last thing we can think that we can do is get house wrap, so we don't know, so if you have any suggestions or anything like that, don't hesitate to drop down in the comments and let us know what they are, so we can, because, hey, you guys can help us too. I mean, like I'm going to say it over and over again. This is stuff we've never done before, so, yeah, we might keep running into issues, but we hope not. So, I know we want to move forward and get this living room and kitchen and all this stuff done. Put some lights up, some fans, all this stuff. We want to, get it to where it's move-in ready. And when we move in, we're still going to be doing stuff, but it'll be move-in ready, to move in and be able to do things while we're living in it. But sorry for the long intro. All I can say is, you pros out there or whatever, again, drop down in the comments and let us know what we might be doing wrong, what we might be doing right, what we might have missed, because you guys can be watching the video and see something that we can't see right here with it in our eyes. So I know it bugs me a lot that I have to keep on trying to fix these holes. So I apologize in advance that this is another leak video. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll know every Monday and Wednesday. I don't know why I was thinking of another day. Every Monday and Wednesday when we got videos going up.
Yeah.
This one look horrible. Hey. Not like this though.
Yeah.
I don't think.
This seems like overkill, but we're really tired of the leaks.
So I was really being serious when I said if you know how to get rid of leaks, drop down in the comments.
Yeah, we were so serious. Because, obviously, how do you get rid of leaks? By finding the leak, right? Well, we can't find the leak. It's very hard to find the leak. Would you get that on top of there? Because I'm short.
You think that's gonna make me sick though, for real? Breathing it in. Huh?
On top.
Breathing it in.
There.
That's not God.
No,
that's not God either.
Get it. Oh, it fell. Water damage.
But that spider's like, what the heck?
I know. I trapped one a second ago with that stuff. Well, if we do, we'll know where it's coming from.
No, we won't.
Well, we'll know it's not from this.
What? What?
What the F? What the real F?
What?
Really?
You're wasting this.
Now people are going to think they can come over here and graffiti. Like this is a graffiti-free area. Free too.
When you don't have any money to buy your wife flowers or show her you love her, just use some spray-on sealer. Look at this again. Checking leaks with a bucket and a mason jar. Might not be leaky, might be leaky, but hopefully it's not any leaks. I know it probably don't matter because rain will be the I can't think of the words. I'm thinking of something in my head.
Test.
Rain would be the ultimate test if there is leaks or not. We can splash this all we want and there's not a single leak. And it can rain and there could be a leak. Well, we hope not. So we're just going to do this here and we're hoping for no leaks. Don't open the window.
Oh.
Huh?
Yeah.
Up top.
Okay, you see it?
Yeah.
Nope.
Nope.
Down, where the tape meets the tape.
But I do appreciate everything. Anything? What? What? Bomb, bomb, bomb. Still leaks. Thank you. Yeah, it sucks. There's leaks. Still, and we don't know where the hecky doodle is coming from. Except for maybe one window, and I don't know. The last resort might come around about the house wrap. I don't know. I know we're gonna put final siding on it, but we wanted to get the leaks done first before we put the final siding on. It's hard to continue the progress of the house or office trailer building that we're flipping into a home when we can't figure out leaks. We need to figure those out. And yeah, do I look happy? No. Okay. But we do apologize for the lacklusterness, because yeah, we're amateurs, and I know a lot of other people out there are too that do a whole lot better than we do, and I wish we was in that group. But we thank y'all for coming back and watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you'll know. See, I can't even talk. So you'll know when we got videos going out. Peace. Shalom, y'all.